Well, I promised you a video of where we're living. If you can see the white wall up there, I don't know whether I can zoom in or not. That is actually the sea. Can't see it from my house, but that is the sea. So this is where we're living. This is a before picture because there's going to be a lot happening. All this lawn will be gone and all this tacky drive will be changed. I'm walking slowly to the front door. The garage door is ordered. We're having a new up and over because this one is broken and we can't open it. So hello, this is the front door. Remember, this is very much a before video, and here's my co-host for the day, Poppy, because everybody else has gone out. Right, when you come in, this is the stairs, and I'm not going up there because to the right is my son and daughter-in-law's bedroom, to the left is their what will be their lounge. Carpet will be gone, as will this tacky horrible lounge carpet. Right, we'll turn to the right. This will be the lounge. As you can see, huge lounge with nothing fitted as yet. Those are all the bookcases and stuff that won't be fitted until we get everything sorted out. This is my son and daughter-in-law's sofa. And at the moment this is my chair. As I say, at the moment, because it will all be being changed. The carpet is horrible, which will be being changed. TV over there, TV table, going to be changed. Window. It looks a beautiful day outside, but it is quite cold. Window howls a gale. Windows have been ordered. They're coming in the new year. That's my computer desk, as is at the minute, where you saw me do my Saturday live. This is the gas fire, which is going. Looks very pretty, but it doesn't throw any heat out. That is where they had their TV, which, you know, as you can see, has left a mess on the wall. We've had new radiators, which is why there's sort of yellow bits poking out at either side, because that's a new radiator, because when we moved in here, it was like a fridge. We knew we had to put a new boiler in, but we weren't anticipating having to do it, you know, like right there and then. Anyway, that's by the by. So as you can see, it's quite a big lounge. Quite a big lounge. So this is the before, and I'll show you all the after once it's all been done. Right, off we go. Guided tour. I'll leave Popsy here. Yes, I'll leave you here for the moment, darling. Yes, you're having your debut. The family have gone out because it's Christmas Eve and they've got parcels to deliver. Yeah. This is my wonderful, horrible, ugly carpet, which won't be staying, of course. New radiator. Hello, me. Right. This is the understairs area, which we're going to have boxed in to make like a cupboard for coats, shoes, etc. This is the table, which will be in the dining room when we have one. Right, at the moment, this is my temporary bedroom. But as you can see, it's in a state of a mess. This will be the dining room. Got a new bed, lovely and comfy. And I'm borrowing a chest of drawers. This is the garden. Right, let me sit down on the bed. Popsy wants to go out into the garden, but she'll have to wait. The garden will not be like this for very long. The greenhouse is going, and there is also a shed around the corner that's going this afternoon. Further, as far out as where the garage is, will be a conservatory. So this will be the entrance, this will be the dining room and the entrance to the conservatory. So at the moment it's just my temporary bedroom, so you'll have to excuse all the mess. Again, new radiator. So let's go out the bedroom. This is one of the warmest rooms in the whole house. It's gorgeous, and I'm glad to say that it's my bedroom at the moment. Yes, come on, Poppy. Let's close this door and keep the warming. This is what will be my bedroom. As you can see in a moment, it's full of boxes and everything else. But I've got a bloke coming, a guy coming, in the new year, of course, and we're going to have wardrobes along that wall and that wall with a space for me with my bed, because this is the larger of the two rooms. It's the larger than my bedroom as is. Again, it's got the big windows that go out to the garden. As you can see, the shed there. Poppy, I can't open that window. Waiting for the windowman to come. She'll have to go out the back door. Right. Then we come out, as you can see, the hallway where we're going to have cupboards and everything underneath the stairs. This is a space here that my son's got earmarked for his fish tank, because at the moment it's just an empty space. This is my bathroom. Again, it's a bit sort of messy, as I'm not a very tidy person and I haven't got, that cupboard is unusable at the minute, so I'm waiting for a new one to come. So a lot of my toiletries will be inside there. I've had a shower chair put, and I've had a new shower fitting. Ooh, there it is. And I've had space there to put my things there. It's a very small bathroom. This is being changed. This, to get me on and off the toilet, is being changed because it's not feasible really with this door. It's a very small bathroom. Very usable, but very small. As I say, that cupboard is going because it's knackered. Excuse the French. And then we go into the kitchen. Oh, I did say, by the way, I had to have a towel rail put in here because there was no heat and it was freezing. I think the people who lived here must have lived in an igloo. Going to the kitchen as is at the minute. We've had a big radiator put just as you go through the door. I'll pan across the kitchen because this is not staying. We haven't unpacked, as you can see. Got the washer and the dryer, kitchen cabinets, a big range cooker, dishwasher. That is where the old boiler was. If you saw photographs of it, it came out the ark. Totally inefficient. Kitchen cabinets, stuff on top of the fridge. I'll pan across the kitchen. That's the back door. There's a back entryway, sideway, where you can get up to the garden. I don't think the tree's dead, but we'll have to wait till the spring to find out. As you can see, we've not really unpacked anywhere. The window is going. In fact, the whole kitchen is going. Yeah, the back door going. So you're really seeing her before. There's the range. There's the microwave, toaster, bread bin, cupboards up above, kettle, biscuits, everything else, coffee, tea, everything. Back to the radiator, back to Poppy. No kitchen door, don't know why, but no kitchen door. As you can see, we've inherited quite a few things we weren't anticipating, but that's by the by. So all of this under here will be boarded in, made into a cupboard. So I just thought you'd like to see the before job. I'm not taking you up the stairs because that's not my space. It's up to them. to show their space off if they want to. So back into the front room. Again, I'm going to sit back down. I'm not going to write a letter. As you can see, I don't know whether you can see or not, got lovely blue skies here in Fleetwood today. But it is a bit chilly out there. And it's chilly in here because that window lets in draft. We will be right eventually. So at the moment I'll leave you with my techie gas fire, which looks very pretty and I'm enjoying looking at the flames. But in effect it isn't actually throwing much heat out. But I just like watching the flames, which is why we're having a log burning stove, yay! But of course with it being Christmas and all the tradespeople are on holiday, nobody can do anything. We've had the back garden measured up to be sorted out before we can put sheds up. We've had the windows measured. The man hasn't been yet about the gas fire, nor has the man been about my wardrobes yet, but everything will be in due course, as you can tell. I mean, it's Christmas Eve. Nobody, in fact, we were very, very lucky in the fact that the lad who did our central heating lives just across the roadway there. So, I think he took pity on us and fitted us in. So at least we have heat and we are warm. That's the main thing. I mean, this room isn't particularly warm because it's empty, as you can see. It's a big, big empty space. Somebody on my live video said it didn't look very big, but it's actually huge. It's much bigger than the space I had before. There's the light. Not putting it on, but there's the light fitting. Apparently people have moved into my old house, but at least they would be nice and warm, because the central heating is gorgeous over where I used to live. It was beautifully hot and warm. So they may not like my decor, but at least they've got a warm space to move into. It's fully carpeted and everything works, the shower works and everything works. They don't have to fit a new shower like I did. Admittedly, the shower that was here, it did work. But I think the people who had this house before us must have done things on a bit of a budget, so it wasn't up to our standard, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go now and see where Popsy is. I've got people coming at 3 o'clock to take the shed away, hopefully. And so I'll just leave you with a picture of my ineffective gas fire. It's got beautiful flames, but as you can see, it's knackered. There's black at the back of it and it doesn't throw any heat out. But this is my before, so remember this when you're looking at it when it's all dull and dusted. Remember the difference it will be. So I'll just leave you with a bye for now and hope you've enjoyed the tour. Bye now.